Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got another quick, small little tool haul. It's actually kind of an electrical haul, and it is going to be just another guess what's in the box video / bag video. Picked it up from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so got this package in the mail. Give me a second, I need to go grab something. Not sure where I put it. That's interesting. I'll just use one of these. I'm not sure where my other measuring tape that I usually carry is. But, so I picked this up from Amazon. It is for the, it's actually for the 2000 Limited 4Runner. But it's also for the Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX navigation head unit. This should be the original Toyota amplifier wire. It's a wire that allows you to splice it in, so I can see if I can hook the Mavic 8200 NEX Pioneer unit directly to the original amp. Instead of removing the amp, it's actually should be a amp retention wire. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be experimenting with it, depinning it, putting in my own wires to match up the wire harness. And instead of having to wire a 2-plug up to the Pioneer wire, and I'll go grab that real quick. So I have this large box of goodies. For this stereo, including the stereo in here. So I got this large box of goodies right here, and it should be it's in here somewhere. Okay, this harness right here, and here is the Pioneer harness. The Pioneer harness in here. Oh, I can't find that harness. That's interesting. Did I drop it somewhere? Oh, there it is. So this harness is what plugs into the back of the stereo. This harness right here plugs into the stereo. And this harness is the one that you would wire to this. Now, this cable should actually alleviate this, because the 2 male plugs that actually go into this actually plug into the bottom of the amp. And then at the top of the amp is another wire loom that comes out to a single plug to the back of the original Toyota CD tape deck radio Adobe system. And this retention wire should allow me to retain that amp and just plug this pigtail into this harness, and it will actually be a male that plugs into the female of the original amp, which actually works well. That stereo bumps like at 30%. You can feel the bass. It's got original Toyota speakers in it, original amp, which works tremendous, has the original stereo as well, which works okay, other than the fact that it's got no lights, so I can't see it at night. But I could be wrong. I do have like 4 or 5 other items coming from Amazon, as well as I got a couple other items coming from eBay. These shocks are I'm going to end up putting on the SR5 because the SR5 has a 3-inch lift. These shocks, I actually put in Bilstein information into eBay, and it was for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner, and I realized these are for a 0 to 3-inch lift. The shocks that I need on the Limited actually are not 2000 or 2002 4Runner shocks. They're actually 2003 to 2021 4Runner shocks. Since that truck has a 6-inch lift, the newer Toyota 4Runner shocks are required. So these are 24-249966. These are for 0 to 3-inch lift rear on a for 1996 to 2002 4Runners. If you need the 2003 to 2021 4Runner shocks, you're going to want to look for a part number that's 33187-174. That part number is also now like 33-3131 something. I don't remember. But you guys let me know what you think this is. I'm thinking it's the retention harness for the amp. I could be wrong though. The dimensions of this is 9 1/4 wide by 12 inches long, and it is the widest point about 3/4 of an inch thick. That's all I got for you guys today though. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Oh, and check out the Amazon, Acme Tools, DJI Electronics, and Ohio Power Tools affiliate links if I didn't say that already. You guys have an awesome one. Peace! See you next time.